Today I'm going to narrate a short story on the topic volume, not substance. The in-college tests were easier than the board examinations. We knew exactly which teacher would evaluate what paper, and we were familiar their tests and answers when we had to write on topics we hadn't prepared for. We filled in a few lines from popular epics, Shakespearean quotes, or any other matter depending on who would evaluate. It didn't matter what subject we were sitting. We expected bonus marks if we got their attention. Moreover, it didn't hurt to now a few inches lower than normal to the teachers a few weeks before the exams. Their reciprocal smiles were a definite psychological boost. The board exams were a different ballgame. As an affiliate of the University of Delhi, Sharif's College was required to courier the answer sheets 1927 kilometers to Delhi. Back then, we thought it was 10,000 kilometers. Obviously, we couldn't possibly know the examiners who would sit over our answer sheets, let alone their interest. We could smile and bow till the yucks came home and they would never know. Such uncertainties plagued us constantly and rumors made it worse. Some students said the Indian evaluators awarded marks depending on the number of pages or the weight of the answer sheets. This was based on the belief that the evaluators were hard-pressed for time, since millions appeared for the same exams from all over India. It seems unbelievable. The rumors resounded with the story of senior students who submitted 40 sheets for a geography exam and got 40 marks. Consequently, as answers went, the focus was on quantity and not quality. One first-year degree student who simply didn't know enough to write more than a few lines on an essay faithfully transcribed what he remembered of Sholay, a blockbuster Bollywood movie. When he counted the words and realized he was short of the minimum stipulated, he repeated the story. Later, he prayed sincerely that his answer sheet would land up on the table of an invigilator who had the good sense to count the sheets or weigh them, or at least someone who was a movie buff because he believed he had written an excellent summary of Sholay. I never found how much he scored in the subject, but he was in the college. The following year, promoted to second year degree. If you like this story, please like, share and subscribe. Until then, thanks for being with me. Thank you.